Hey everyone, welcome back to yet another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install disqus on your website. As you can see here, I installed it on my website, ScrapBlox.com, and it's just a commenting system. You can just type something, and then it comes through. So let's get started. First off, you want to go to disqus.com, link in description. If you already have an account, click admin. If not, you need an account. So then it might prompt you to make a site like this. Give it a name. I'll name this one test or whatever. Then choose a category. I usually go for entertainment and or games. So we'll do tech for this one. Then create site. Then over on the side here, click install disqus. Then as you see, they provide several templates here. You're going for the bottom button here saying I don't see my platform listed, install manually with universal code. Next, you want to see this div and script. You want to copy all of this, and I got a basic template set up here on Replit. It can host different things. You want to just paste in that div, go back to this page, then at the bottom here, put this right before the body closes, so right here. Then you see if I run this, go to the comments page, and we technically got it all set up. Then you want to click configure. You can name it, you can put the website URL. You can, if you have a comment policy URL like mine here, I set up some basic rules. You can add a summary, like read the policy above, and you can choose your moderation settings. Go read through all of this to see what best fits your website needs. I always go for the balance, but I can see why this would be. Then you complete setup. Then you dismiss the setup, and you can see just do this like hello. Let me do this to bring the site to its max size. I'd rather post as a guest, you can say. So I'll say that I'd rather post as a guest, and you need to put a name, so I'll put ScrapBlox. Then you also need an email. I'm gonna have to blur that out. Then this comment is awaiting moderation. Show comment. So then on your disqus admin dashboard here, click on moderation. Make sure you're selected on that site. You see you got pending, approved, spam, deleted. So you got the comment I just made, which is under pending. You can approve, spam, or delete it. I'll go to approve it here. And you're pretty much set up on your basic HTML website. Now let's see how to install it on a Google site here. Which Google sites? It's that drag and drop thing you can do, like then that will be on the website. So let's go X out of this here, and let's go ahead go to start. Let's go to installation again, and these are all my websites. So we'll go SBlox test. We'll grab that universal code again, and you want to just double click, hit this little icon, embed, or you can do it from the sidebar. Then go embed code, paste that in there, and the same script thing. then hit next, then insert. As you can see, you got comments on Google Sites, so you can just preview it. And yeah, so that's how you can set up Disqus on your website, whether it's HTML or PHP or a Google site even. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.